Good morning, boys and girls. I just wanted to show you some things about our Google Classroom in case you haven't figured them out yet. So you can see right now I'm actually logged in as a student. So your page should look exactly like this. Now the name of this class says Experiment Class. I know that is not the name of the classroom you are in on Google, but I've created this class to make some videos like this for you. It should look exactly like your other Google Classroom. The only difference is this name up here. So most of you boys and girls have done a great job figuring out the feed. That is this part on, or the stream, I'm sorry. The page you see right away when you log in. On this page, it's where I post important announcements, and I also can send messages to you individually. You only see what is meant for you. So on this page, you can see this morning I made a comment to a student. It says, "Good morning, you are doing great on iReady. Remember to try and complete at least 30 minutes each day." And then the student wrote back to me by clicking in this box down here. And they said, "Thanks, Mrs. B. I will keep working hard." After you type your message, I'm just going to do a little fake message for my example. You type in this box and then you click this paper airplane over here to post it. Please remember to make responsible choices and only share appropriate things. We should have lots and lots of math talk on our page. Now on here you can also see it says that I posted some new materials for this student. So even though these show up here, there's another spot in our classroom that I've been talking about, and I'm not sure if you know where it is. Up here at the very top it says Classwork. So if you click on Classwork, it's not always things I want you to do. It's also important things you can use. So the first thing at the top under Classwork is Zoom. Instead of me posting that Zoom link every day, this is where I want you to find it. So if you click on Zoom link, the link is still here, or you can click this box down here. This will always be under the Classwork section, but you need to keep an eye on the stream because when we have special events like our Zoom parties, so our classmates can see each other, that will be posted here. So I will let you know whether you can use our normal link in the Classwork tab or if you need to click the link on our page. So there's our Zoom link. I also notice that lots of you boys and girls are doing excellent on iReady. You're getting your 30 minutes in each day, and then you're spending some more time on there. And that is great, but I don't want you to feel like you're stuck to your iPad or your device all day long because that can be really hard on our eyes. And when I asked you boys and girls what you thought about some games to play at home, lots of you loved the idea. So you will see here that there are also math games that are optional. That means you do not have to do them, but they are there for you to have some fun with whoever you're at home with. So there's lots of different games on here for you to choose from. You just click on it. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. And you will see that I, right here, have some directions. This is a snakes and ladders game. And then this one actually has a game board. This is the only one with a game board that you have to cut and tape together. But there are other ones that are really, really simple. You just click on the directions here again. And all this one takes is a deck of cards or some pieces of paper with written numbers on them. So go ahead and check these out so you can have some fun with your family members at home. The last thing I want to show you under this Classwork tab are the math resources. So as you are completing things on iReady, I know it's a little bit different than being in our classroom because we don't have all those math tools to help us. So I have put some number words. We had this anchor chart in our classroom hanging up. But if you need help with some number words, spelling or writing them, they are in here. Let's see what else I've put in here. I've also put some addition strategies. So if you need a reminder or maybe you want to have mom or dad or someone at home teach you what we've been doing in the classroom, there are some strategies here for you to use. Then I also put in here some place value blocks. Now I know that iReady lets you see these on the computer, but if you want to cut these out and use them, there are some place value blocks here and a place value mat just like we use in the classroom. And finally, there is a thousands chart that you can pull up on here to help you with your math. I know you guys are seeing this social studies tab down here. Don't worry about that right now. We're not using social studies this week. We are only focusing on our math again. So keep an eye out under the classwork section. Even though this is what's in there now, I'm going to be adding more games as we continue our online learning. And if I find any other math resources I think we might need, I will add those here as well. If you have any questions, let me know. I miss you all. Have a great day.